I know you've heard so much about affiliate marketing, and maybe you're still unsure of how it's really done at this point. In this video, I will reveal one of my strategies for making $1,000 per day through affiliate marketing. If you want to start making money online right now, all you have to do is copy the same strategy in a few minutes and put it to work with established free traffic websites. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Here you can see the exact affiliate marketing plan I use daily to generate sales in the hundreds. You can just follow along with the video and do everything I show you how to do. The first thing you need to do is visit the website WarriorPlus.com. Affiliate marketing may be thought of as a kind of marketplace or platform where you can look into things and begin promoting them. But what matters most to us is that you can sign up for this service without spending a dime. Then you will have access to a wide variety of affiliate marketing solutions, all in one convenient location. There are zero requirements on your part to develop them, build websites, implement automation, or promote them. Getting paid as an affiliate is as easy as creating a simple affiliate link, such as a URL or link, and advertising it. In just a moment, I will demonstrate how this operates. To begin, head on over to the free sign-up page. You may sign up for an account at no cost by clicking the Sign Up button. Additionally, here you can enter your desired username, password, and email before finally clicking the Create Account button. Then you should verify that your new account has been successfully created, and you may now access it. Specifically, navigate to Affiliate, then click Offers. As you can see, there are currently no deals available. The key is knowing you can close the deal once you make the offer. Here, therefore, is where you will get access to everything that's for sale on this fantastic website. Start marketing an affiliate link, and you can start making money right away. So right now, I'm going to show you how to pick the best product, and the deal I suggest you check out first is called Affiliate 1. Simply enter Affiliate 1 into the search bar to locate this. But before we get more into that, please give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see more of the easiest ways to earn money online. Now, let's go back. I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 a day with this product right now. This means that there are many different upsells and offers that may be made to customers if you choose to market this product. You can make $8 from a customer who buys just the first product, which is the program's basic commission. And just like that, they begin making money off of all these updates, which can be seen on this webpage. To proceed, click the Request Approval button that appears on this page. Simply enter the following inside the area provided. Hi there! The name of your vendor. My name is... You add your name. I've done some looking around on the WarriorPlus platform, and I was able to locate your product. And here you type the name of the product you want to promote. I have an extensive social media following, an email list, and advertising funds. That's the kind of message you can convey. Just put it down here if you wish to use the method I'm about to demonstrate. All of these merchants will be asking what you plan to do for the promotion. Once you are ready to obtain a price code, you can do so by selecting the appropriate option from the drop-down menu. You'll then need to wait between 12 and 24 hours. And now, as you wait for the approval, I will reveal a little-known trick I've been employing to maximize my income from this approach. Please visit getresponse.com for this purpose. In addition to its many other uses, this free application may be immediately put to use for email marketing, website development, and marketing automation. If you're just starting, you may try out this app risk-free for a month. The first step is to sign up for GetResponse. From there, I'll walk you through the exact content and implementation of this hidden trick so you can maximize your revenues. When you're inside, you just go to the contacts. To begin, let's make a list of everything that needs doing. go ahead and start making lists. And now just type in affiliate 1 for the list's name since that's the core of the program we were utilizing. Then make a landing page by selecting tools. I usually just go straight to the landing pages. In terms of landing pages, all we need to do is make a basic page that will serve as a gateway for individuals to join our mailing list and begin benefiting from our efforts. Please don't worry if you think this would be too difficult. I'll be showing you everything in detail. So initially, I'm going to head straight into the Create from Scratch section. Let me just go ahead and select Display the Templates, in which case this might be the one I end up picking. I'm going to use this sample again and use the name Affiliate 1 for the new template. Before we continue, leave a comment below on what you think about the websites we have for you today, and tell us which country you're from. If you've got any questions, we would also be glad to help. Back to the video. Our next step is to build the website, where interested parties may sign up so that we can begin monetizing our list. Therefore, the website or page we are about to construct is a forerunner. Our focus will be on this one, as there is an opportunity to earn over $2,000 a day in passive income while doing relatively little work. As you can see, the page consists of a single headline, a single subheadline, and a form where visitors can enter their name and email address. Do as they say and hit the yes button. Their email address will be collected and stored so that subsequent emails and promotions can be sent to them. We will earn extra cash from these customers, and you can easily set up an autoresponder series using the resources provided in the bundle of affiliate marketing tools. To create another page like this, just follow the steps we took previously. Join two lists together and locate the affiliate list that corresponds to this one. And after you have it, you'll want to modify the thank you page. Basically, all you need to do is enter a URL that you will obtain from within the Affiliate 1 system into the corresponding field under the custom URL in your WarriorPlus account. Upon acceptance of your offer, the link will appear like this. Scroll down and you will see a button labeled Publish. Click that and you're done. When you've got the product and the website set up, I will show you to monetize your efforts with minimal effort and a combination of free and paid traffic strategies. My primary source of visitors for this strategy is a website named Herculist.com. Mailing lists of up to 320,000 people can be found here, and you can send out mailings daily in increments of 1,000. With Herculist, you can set up several accounts and immediately begin sending as many as 10,000 emails every day, generating sales and growing your GetResponse.com mailing list in the process. This is crucial if you want to build a sustainable enterprise with lasting profitability. Paid traffic such as that provided by single advertisements on Udemy is another option to consider. If you want to learn more about Udemy and how they can help you boost traffic, just head on over to udemy.com. If you're willing to pay them, you can have access to their email list of potential customers. Here, you can view the individual cost of each lead as well as the total cost based on their proportion of sales they generate. You can build an email list from this page and then send your subscribers to this offer, from which you will earn a commission if they make a purchase. Also, the daily rate might range from $8 to $1,000. I'm going to go ahead and get everything ready now. Let's see how much money I can make by simply sharing my affiliate links and beginning to send emails to a list generated from Herculist.com, in addition to purchasing some Udemy solo advertising. After following the steps we have provided, let us know how it was for you and how much money you have earned in the comments section down below. Thank you very much for supporting us. We've enjoyed making this video for you today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more of our excellent content. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.